Whether you just fixed a shadow ban or simply want to protect yourself, you're in the right place. This video will teach you how to avoid getting shadow banned. The first step is to understand what TweepCred is. TweepCred is a social credit score that determines your reach based on which accounts you interact with. Anytime you make a post, send a reply, or otherwise engage on X, your TweepCred is affected. In order to avoid getting shadow banned, you need to keep your TweepCred high by not engaging with low quality accounts. The first indicator of low TweepCred is the sensitive content label. And in order to see this, you need to have the correct settings. From your browser, go to Settings and Privacy, Privacy and Safety, Content You See, and then make sure this box is not checked. When the box is unchecked, sensitive content will have a warning label on it. Then, make sure you don't interact with these posts. Interacting with sensitive content is going to lower your TweepCred and get you shadow banned. Posting sensitive content will get you shadow banned as well. In many cases, it will lead to an automatic search suggestion ban. Also, make sure you don't interact with accounts in the probable spam and show additional replies section. Engaging with these accounts will lower your TweepCred and cause a shadow ban. One thing to note here, for replies to your own posts, there's no warning in your notifications. So do not respond directly from notifications. First, click into the original post and then scroll to the reply to make sure it's okay. And this applies to both sensitive content and probable spam. Also, if you are following an account, their replies will not show up in probable spam. So to be extra safe, you might want to check their replies from a burner before you interact with them. Next, avoid replying to accounts engaging in platform manipulation. The two biggest indicators of this is that they are following more accounts than follow them. And then lots of posts that mention follow for follow or giving shout outs, stuff like that. Don't post platform manipulation or otherwise engage in it yourself either. Coordinated engagement groups to boost impressions, do follow for follow, and repost for repost are going to absolutely destroy your TweepCred. Also, don't repeatedly take the same action. Mass following and unfollowing, sending tons of replies in a row, or even leaving multiple replies on the same post can get you shadow banned. Finally, avoid responding to trolls or toxic replies. Content that has offensive language or curse words is going to lower your TweepCred, so don't even bother interacting with it. So that is everything to avoid. But what if you do get shadow banned? Watch this video to fix it.